Hi folks, I'm here in Lawrence Avenue East, 3434, and Cedar Bay Mall is across from me. I'm just going to walk around here and look around here. There's a Fit for Less, there's a Mark's. So Cedar Bay Mall is over there, across from this building. But I'm going to look around here while I'm here in this location. It's a very busy location. It's Lawrence Avenue and Markham Road. I'll put a map up if you want to see where I am. There's quite a few places here. Small business. So I'm here at Cedar Heights, which is located east of Markham Road on Lawrence. Let's take a look at these shops. These are small shops, family-owned shops. If you want to get dirt cheap stuff, you come around here in Scarborough. You don't see this in Vaughan or Brampton or anywhere else. Only Scarborough has this. You got more stores over there, right? You don't see this anymore anywhere. It's only big retail stores, semi-big retail stores, but nothing like this anymore, right? This is the reason why I came here to show you this. Toronto used to look like this. Downtown Toronto used to look like this too, right? Pizza, a lot of Indian stuff, Muslim stuff, Arabic, buy and sell kings, I don't know what that is. You got B-Boys, burgers, Chic Fiesta, right? You don't see this anymore, folks. You got a Vietnamese noodle soup right there. Probably come back that way to see that, but Pho Da Bo. Pho Da Bo. The most famous Vietnamese noodle. Got A&W beer, A&W restaurant. Ooh. Oh, it's bloody hot. It's September 6th, 2023. Probably the last hot day of this year. So let me go to this section and go across the street over there and end the video. There's no real name to this plaza. Actually, I was wrong. It's called the Cedar Point. Cedar something Plaza. Yeah, this is the entrance, one of the entrances. So yeah, you don't see this kind of plazas anymore, folks. It's all big retail and stuff. So I'm gonna go across the street. Hope I don't get run over. It's a lot of traffic. It's a busy area, as you can see. Markham and Lawrence, right there. Alright. Across the street before I get without getting killed. So here is a TD Bank branch. This is a, what is this called? Jiangning Food Mart. place to get tune-ups. Well, technically cars, you can't tune up cars anymore. Cars don't need tune-ups these days because they have computers. I'll head back to my car. Some people hate Scarborough, but I like Scarborough. You know why? Because they have more of these mom and pop stores. It feels like more of a neighborhood compared to, say, Vaughan or Brampton, which is all just miles upon miles above suburbia. It's like it's dead. It feels dead. This feels alive. People hate Scarborough, but Toronto used to look like Scarborough everywhere, right? Downtown Toronto, Yonge Street is basically destroyed from the lockdowns. Everything's closed. Everything's becoming condos. And I'm back to where I started, right here. I was walk through here and then go back to my car. But yeah, you don't see this anymore, folks. It's all closed down too. Sadly, a lot of it closed down due to the lockdowns. Most likely places like this, these retail areas, are torn down and condos go up. Condos don't make the neighborhood, folks. These stores do, right? The old stores, old area. Am I still filming here? Let me check. Yes, I'm still filming. So yeah, that's a quick tour of Lawrence and Markham Road, an old part of Scarborough. Toronto and most of Toronto used to look like this, but now they've been torn down for condos and big retail stores. But I prefer these small stores. Okay, thank you for watching.